Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a super easy recipe to make a milkshake whenever you feel like it. It's a strawberry and banana milkshake. So the first thing we're going to do is add some milk, any type of milk, in a blender, and a milkshake blender, and then after that you're going to add one banana. You're going to take off the yellow part of it. I can't really exactly.
The peel.
Yeah, the banana peel. Thanks, Noor. The banana peel. I'm going to take off that off and rip it with your hands, like half it, and then plop it in there. Next, what you're going to add is 3 or 4 strawberries. So, you don't have to half the strawberries, but you don't have to cut the strawberries in half. You can just add them in there since they're pretty small. And make sure to cut off the green part at the end, like the stem part where you hold it from. So yeah, and then after that, you have to add some sugar, and not too much, but you have to add some sweet, just like a tiny bit, like half of your thumb. And then what you're gonna do is blend it for like 30 seconds. I guess that's what I mean. Now what you're gonna do is pour it in a jug and enjoy. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, follow our Facebook Facebook page, The Star Girls.